Happy Tuesday, my people. Thanking God for another day. And just my luck, as I pull up, it starts pouring down rain. Look at this. I can't even get out. I gotta wait till this rain dies down. This is crazy. God said, I'm gonna give you a shower today. Holy smokes. Yep. That's what I'm dealing with. Well, other than that, my day went pretty smooth. Hoping your guys' days went well. Who loves the rain? Is this good sleep weather? I'll turn this around. Yeah, that's me all wet. Hat all wet, shirt all wet. Yep. So I hope you guys had a good day. Comment below if you're dealing with the rain like I am. If you're dealing with a sunny day, you can throw that in my face too. Just trying to enjoy life no matter what I'm going through. Peace and love to you all. Ciao. Snake out.